This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below. How you doing, guys? It is August 27, 2018. This one here, I'm going to do a giveaway. Dennis from Parker Sporlan was nice enough to send a bunch of swag to do giveaways to the subscribers. He sent me a bunch of nice stuff. I did a giveaway recently, and he sent me some more stuff to do a giveaway. Now I'm going to do 3 giveaways, and there's 3 different packages here. They're very similar. I'll show you what's going on with the 3, and what you have to do to qualify to be picked as a winner is in the comment of this video down below, write Parker Sporlan giveaway. Okay, again, Parker Sporlan giveaway. If it doesn't say that, you're not eligible to win. And just, respond one time. If you respond 2-3 times, I mean, you're only going to be picked once. So, and I'll do a random.org. I'll give it a week, and I'll do a random.org, and we'll pick 3 winners, and I'll send the stuff out. I'll ask for your information. You have to give me your name, mailing address, email, phone number, and I'll ship the stuff out to you UPS. So I'll show you what's going on. There's 3 giveaways. I have size large shirts. They're all black. They're size large. It says Sporlan on there. One of the, this is going to be the number one winner is going to get this package. It's a little bit different than the other. 2 and 3 is the same exact package. Okay, there's Parker Sporlan hat. It's a nice blue hat. It's got the adjustment in the back. It's a Velcro adjustment in the back. I also got this hat that was sent to me from Ralph. TNN Services sent me this hat, Parker Sporlan, and that'll go in. It's like a golfing hat or something like that. It's got, to breathe and whatnot. It's a nice hat. I also have this little light, Sporlan light, LED. Comes with 3 batteries. It's got a little magnet on the back. I had that hanging around from the last giveaway. That's going to go in package 1. He also sent me a nice Sporlan coffee mug. And I'm going to throw in a little thermostat screwdriver. These are the ones I use. The little white bulb on the end. It's got a nice little clip. Little thermostat screwdriver. I have 3 of these that are exactly the same, so I'm going to put them in the packages as a little bonus. So that's the first prize right there. The second and third prize are going to be the exact same thing. I'll show you. It's going to be a t-shirt. Black t-shirt, the same one, size large. They only got size large, that's it. Package 2 and 3 come with 2 blue hats. Parker Sporlan. Okay. He only sent me 5 hats, so I couldn't give everybody 2 blue, so I had to use that other one that I had. Comes with a coffee mug I showed you before, and the screwdriver. And it also comes with a 6-in-1 screwdriver, Sporlan. Okay. 6-in-1. 6-in-1 because it's got 2 Phillips and a 1/4 inch. And on this side here, it's got 2 regulars and a 5/16. So that's why they call it a 6-in-1. So the second package and the third package is exactly the same. I'll wait a week and I'll pick 3 winners, random.org, and I'll send the stuff out. You guys are going to have to give me your name, address, email, and phone number. And I'm going to have to confirm that that's you through the message, and we'll have to confirm it. Because the last time I had a couple of people try to scam me to get the stuff, delivered to them. And, yeah, so that's it. So big shout out to Sporlan, Dennis from Parker Sporlan, and they're known for their TXVs and dryers, filter dryers. I use their Parker Sporlan PT chart all the time. I get them free at the supply house. They have them free there, um, over by the TXVs and stuff. And I use their Sporlan Smart Tool for my refrigeration gauges. I've been using that this year, and I really do like it. I mean, um, it's good stuff. Sporlan makes good stuff. It's a great company, and this video is sponsored by Sporlan. And big shout out to them guys, and just for the giveaway. These guys, they send me the stuff, and I'll do the giveaway. Any other companies out there, the credible companies that want to do giveaways, send me the stuff, and I'll send it. I'll give it to the subs. Do giveaways. It's good once in a while to do a giveaway. Alright guys, that's it. Just a quick little one. I just wanted to put something together, and I just been really busy, straight out, kind of getting burnt out here. Just got so much going on. But anyway, alright guys, thanks for watching, and I got plenty of videos coming up, so I always got some stuff coming. Alright guys, have a good day, and talk to you later.